The video tutorial is about removing pop-up windows by the website Popsit.site. Popsit.site is a malicious site indeed. These days it attacks Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video, but to click on allow is obviously a serious mistake which may hijack your browser with a lot of annoying ads. These ads will be displayed as intrusive push notifications, and if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser. So access the menu, go to settings. Let's do it once again. Menu, then settings, then privacy and security, then go down to site settings. In permissions, choose notifications and remove any junk sites from the list. If you don't remove them, they will keep attacking your screen like that. So you need to remove these malicious sites. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.